Welcome fans to another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing here on Monster Truck Classics, and we are gonna be unboxing the Soldier Fortune Deluxe Playset of the Monster Dirt, makers of Kinetic Sand, and we get an exclusive Soldier Fortune truck with it. This will be my first Soldier Fortune truck from Spin Master. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back of the box. Build it, jump it, crash it, smash it, do it again. And back on this side we have includes 16 ounce of Monster Dirt. There's the few steps just to show you, makers of Kinetic Sand. And let's see, on this side of the box there's the Max D Deluxe Playset that I already reviewed, and there we have it again. Build it, smash it, do it again. We'll build it, jump it, smash it, do it again. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing process of the Soldier Fortune Monster Dirt Deluxe set. Let's take a look at the Soldier Fortune truck first of all. Like the green wheels, and of course it has dirt on the tires. And let me bring this up close so we can take a look at Soldier Fortune. Very nice details of Soldier Fortune. We can see the driver. Excellent die-cast looking truck. We can see the driver and the steering wheel. Wow, that looks cool. On to the opposite side so you can see all the angles of Soldier Fortune, if you haven't already seen it on another video. Soldier Fortune back there. On the tailgate, Soldier Fortune with the lights. Very nice. You can see the motor inside. Right, we'll move Soldier Fortune out of the way. Now I'll get this bag. So here is a little dirt set that comes with it. Also, here's the crushed car that you can make to put in the dirt. This is what the tool looks like. It's a different kind of a tool. Here is a little Monster Jam setup sign. There we go. Monster Jam on that side, and Soldier Fortune on the other side. A little billboard. That's what I wanted to call it. And here is the scoreboard. Up close, Monster Jam Stadium. There's the clock ticking down. Soldier Fortune is on the clock. A nice picture of the real truck in action. So here's the big 16 ounce of Monster Dirt that gotta get out of the package here. There we go. And on the bottom it says Monster Jam. Let me take out the Monster Dirt that is in this container, so we can have this dirt pad right there, and have this other plastic one for the truck to go up on also, so you can drive up on there with your Soldier Fortune or the other Monster Jam trucks. That's very nice. I want to try this out, but also want to try the cars. So let me get some of the dirt. Not too bad. Get this multi-purpose tool out. Use it. There we go with this car. So you can have Couple cars lined up for the truck to crush into. Ooh. Have some fun time crushing the cars. Also, I'm going to put in some monster dirt in this little container here to have a different kind of a jump going. So there we go. With that kind of a ramp. Another crush car. That's a nice little ramp for kids to build, or adults. So that's pretty cool. A little mini backflip ramp kind of a deal if you wanted to, or whatever. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review of the Spin Master Monster Jam Soldier Fortune Deluxe Playset.